Yo, what's up everybody? It's me, KB, and today I want to show you guys the Photoshop camera. Yes, by Adobe. Adobe Photoshop camera application for iOS and Android users. As of now, this application is in beta testing, which means few people get to use this, and you can sign up and get the application. If you want to test, you can become the tester. But if you're using the Android phone, you can actually get the APK of Photoshop camera and you can start using, even if you are not going to sign up for the beta testing. So it's easy to get this application in Android phone. So I'm going to show you a few of the things. Actually, this camera application is just amazing. So I'm going to give you some samples. I'm going to show you some samples of pictures that I have taken using this application. And yeah, this is great application, to be honest. And one more thing, this video is not sponsored by Adobe. This application is amazing. That's why I'm gonna say some good things about this application. Okay, so it's nothing like I'm sponsored by Adobe and I'm saying good things about this application. Okay, it's nothing like that. Okay, so you can see, some of the features inside this application is just amazing, like night shift, replacing background, all that cool stuffs. So here's the example. I took this picture using night shift filter, and I can actually show you the original photo, how it looked. Okay, you can actually apply the live filters and you can capture the pictures live, but you can also undo and you can also change the effect that you have applied when you were capturing. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing here. Okay, I'm going to go an original. So this is the original picture. Okay, and actually I used night shift filter when I was capturing, and you can see this looks so great. It wasn't even night. Okay, and I can also apply other effects, like I can replace the sky, all that kind of stuff. So I have another examples here. You can see another night shift picture with the moon behind, which is amazing in my opinion. Okay, I think there is no other application which can do the same thing. Maybe there is, but this one is just so great. I can't explain to you guys. So we have these kind of filters. Okay, they call it lenses. You can download them. Okay, I'm going to show you later. So this is the original picture, and I applied this filter. Yeah, this filter looks amazing. The magic of this camera application is just amazing. So it has a AI camera stuff. I'm not going to go to the deep detail, but you got the idea. Okay, some of the pictures that I have taken, I'm just going to show you that. Okay, for example, this one behind me, you can see there is a chicken, and actually there was no chicken. This is a background replaced by this application, and which is done pretty well in my opinion. So we have the big apples like this one. You can see, I'm going to show you the original picture here. Okay, so yeah, it looks amazing. All of these background replacement is done by this application. So you can see this one. I'm going to show you the original picture. Okay, so these are the filters that you can use. Like for example, this one, I like this one. This is so great filter, and I'm going to show you live after this. So you can see this is the original picture and how it removed all the background and made me look like Superman. Not Superman, but you can see I have a wing. I can fly, which means I'm a Superman. Okay, so here's my son's picture I took with the same filter. The background doesn't look like that. Okay, the background is completely removed and my son got some wings. So yeah, I'm not gonna bore you guys with all of this. I'm just gonna show you some live examples what you can do with this. Okay, so you just tap on this star icons or this human icon, which will bring up the filters, and now you can start using the filters. Some of the filters are meh. I'm not gonna say like all of them are great, it depends on the situation, but some of the filters are so amazing. I like them. So for example, I'm just going to show you a few of my favorite filters. Okay, bloom, I like this one because you can completely, remove the background. And yeah, this one. Okay, it doesn't have to be like background, like straight background. It doesn't matter what type of background you have, it will auto remove the background and replace with the filters, whatever filter you have selected. Okay, I have done that. I'm going to show you here, and you can see I was a little bit shaky, but you can see how well it did. Okay, so try to be not shaky when you're using this. Okay, we have this. We have to show the sky. Some of the filters works when you show the sky. Okay, when you you have to show the sky to the camera and it will replace the background. Some filters, it will detect the human being and it will automatically remove the background. Some of the filters like this one, this filter needs sky. And portrait, this one is also my favorite one. If just in case if your phone doesn't have a portrait mode in front or back, doesn't matter, then you can use this, and this works really well, trust me. But as I said, don't try to be too much shaky. Okay, if you can, use with the tripod or like keep your phone still. Pop art, I also like this. Adobe Max, I like this one. I have taken some pictures with this. Spectrum, I like that. Food, you can change the color tone of the picture, okay, which is cool. Scenery, same thing, you can change the color tone. Artful, okay, you got the idea. You can become an artist or something like that. Yeah, this one is also cool. You can replace the sky. Okay, you have to show the sky, and this is one of my favorite filters, and it's just amazing. Night shift, it will capture the picture with the background like sky with stars. You have to show the sky though, it doesn't work with the other background. Like you can see, this is not a sky. Okay, so this one is amazing. And another my favorite one is, I'm gonna try to find, yeah, Billie Eilish. Yeah, Billie Eilish. You can become a white angel, but I like the dark angel. Okay, I'm just going to capture the picture. Just going to stay still and you will see this will capture amazing picture. Okay, you can see. This looks so good. Okay, so that's it. Now I'm going to show you a few, like just one thing. At the end, there is the option add more, where you can add more lenses, aka effects, and you can also see the example how the effects will work. Actually, I have added all of the lenses effects, so I don't have to download any one. So in here at the bottom, you can see we have the option of open. If you haven't downloaded this, you will have option of add. You just add that and done. Okay, that's how it works. So you can see here how this effect works. You can see the pictures. Okay, you can add wings to yourself, which is cool. And same thing for other effects. Like these effects will replace your background, especially the sky one. Okay, you have to show the sky, and you can have these pictures behind you. Okay, I got confused for a second, and yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. I will put link in the description for the APK. If you are using Android phone, you can download the Adobe Photoshop Camera APK and start using right now. And I will also put link in the description for the official site of Adobe Camera application. You can go there and sign up for the beta testing. iPhone users, Android users, anyone can sign up. And yeah, that's it. You saw the demo. It is amazing application in my opinion. And now let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about this application and which filters you like the most? My favorite filters are Billie Eilish and Night Shift. And there are others too, but for now, that's it. I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye-bye.